To assemble a Human Touch Novo XT Pro with a commercial kiosk, we can start by removing the two foam panels that secured the kiosk, remove the kiosk from the arm well of the side panel, and remove the bubble wrap packaging from the kiosk. Next, we can remove the bag of screws from the back of the kiosk and take the screws out of the bag. Okay, next we need to make sure there are no kinks in the cable harness. We need to make sure that's absolutely straight. And then we can align the screw holes on the kiosk with the corresponding screw holes on the right side panel, with the Human Touch label on the kiosk facing forward. Okay, next we'll use a Phillips head screwdriver to install the screws. And it's best to install them partway in all four corners before fully tightening the screws. It's also important to make sure the screws go in straight and do not use a power screwdriver. Next, we can plug in the chair. Plug in an Ethernet cable into the Ethernet adapter, power on the chair, and observe the kiosk as it boots up. Once the "Please click here" message appears on the display, press the remote control power button to raise the chair to the upright position. By the time the chair is in the upright position, the Scan Member Card message displays on the kiosk. Go ahead and scan a member card. You can then power on the remote, press Enter, and select an auto program, and observe the chair until the countdown timer times out. Confirm that the chair raises to the upright position when the massage is finished. And the chair is ready to go.